Okay, children, in the previous video we have discussed how earthquake occurs and how does it happen, what happens inside the surface of the earth that results in the earthquake. We have also seen how volcano eruption takes place, how magma, gases, ashes, dust particles are ejected towards the earth's surface, result into volcanic eruption. In this video we are going to continue this similar topic. Okay, so there are three different kinds of volcanoes. There is active volcano, dormant and extinct volcano. These volcanoes are found at various places in the world, and only one active volcano in India is present in the island of Andaman and Nicobar. This volcanic eruption at any places or region lead to massive destruction in a local area. So when this volcano eruption takes place, it destroys the local area. It makes maximum destruction in local area. But there are certain benefits too. So the land fertility increases, which helps in agriculture production, and very good. And this fertile lands in Java and Sumatra as it is made of lava. As this lava soil, that is, you can also say it is black soil, which is good for agriculture, which is potassium rich soil. Okay. When this volcano eruption takes place, the germs killing property is also present near the areas of volcano, which can cure skin diseases. And the lower depth from the surface of earth, certain minerals like mercury, plating, zinc, aluminium, etc. can be obtained easily due to volcano. So if there are certain disadvantages, means it destructs the entire local area near volcano, but it has benefits also. It increases the fertility of land, which is good for agriculture production. We can have abundant crop productions there around there. The hot water that comes in the area of volcano has germ killing property, which cures skin diseases, and it is helpful in getting minerals also. The lava that cools down inside the vent of extinct volcano turns into diamonds with the passage of time. So the lava that is inside the volcano, when it cools down, it forms diamond with the passing time. Small rocks thrown out during volcano eruptions are called lapilli, which have been proved to be very useful as they can be molded easily. They can be given shape easily. So when this volcanic eruption happens, when earthquake happens, what happens in the sea floor? The high oceanic waves, जो समुद्र की लहरें होती हैं वो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी क्रिएट होती है, वो सुनामी. They are high and have unimaginable length. वो इतनी लंबी ऊंची लहरें होती हैं कि हम इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते. Their length is approximately 700 to 1600 kilometers. तो 700 kilometers तक ऊंची उनकी लहरें होती है. These waves travels with a great speed and with force. When they reach the coast, they attain great height and power, which causes a great deal of destruction in coastal region. So जो कोस्टल रीजन होता है वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान ये लोग पहुँचाते हैं, क्योंकि ये जब कोस्ट तक पहुँचते हैं तो इनकी हाइट और साथ में फोर्स बहुत हाई होता है. It was witnessed on 11th March 2011 in Japan. Strong and whirling winds also create high and strong waves. Or once the storm gets over, these waves become tall with high wavelength, which can travel great distance. Such waves great deal of destruction in coastal region. They are known as destructive waves, At times, rock falls, ice falls, or underwater land shields or slumps can generate displacement of water to create a tsunami. मतलब जब when these waves reach a certain height, like approximately 700 to 1600 kilometer, and reaches these coastal plains, then they gain more height and force, and they destroy the places near coastal line. With these waves are a great deal of destruction, so they are also called destructive waves. Okay, now flood. And flood means the flow of excess of water in the river is called flood. जब पानी ज़्यादा समुद्र में बहने लगे तो वो सिटी की तरफ आ जाता है, तो उसे हम फ्लड बोलते हैं. फ्लड occurs due to two reasons. Heavy rain in the upper course of a river. If a dam or river breaks, flood occurs in the low-lying area on the river bank. So flood can occur due to two reasons. ज़्यादा बारिश या फिर डैम या रिवर पे आउटब्रेक्स हो, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा पानी इस रिवर में से फ्लो करे लोकल जो समुद्र के बैंक पे जो एरियाज़ है उस तरफ, तो वो फ्लड में रिजल्ट करता है. रिवर के बैंक पे जो प्लेसेस है उधर भी रिवर का पानी बहने लगे तो वो फ्लड में अकर करता है. इन दिस फिगर यू हैव शोन दी rivers that had flood in them and the areas that were affected and in the year which that happened. In Hindi you will say that baad, that is in English flood. So here we will see about famine. Sometime when rainfall is very less, what happens that the groundwater dry up and there causes shortage of food and water. That condition is known as famine, and this condition occur in the case of scanty rainfall, means you have less rainfall or no rainfall for 2 to 3 years successively, means एक के बाद एक 2-3 सालों के लिए बिल्कुल बारिश ना होना या बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम बारिश होना, उसकी वजह से फेमाइन अकर करता है. The possibility of famine is less if we plant more trees. So if you grow more trees, then this possibility is reduced.